What I am about to reveal was once carved into temple walls and then deliberately erased. The Ankh breathing technique was not a meditation. It was not relaxation. It was a biological weapon of longevity, reserved for the inner circle of the pharaohs, and it was considered dangerous. Dangerous because it altered the body at the cellular level. Dangerous because it gave one man the vitality of three. Dangerous because once you understand how to command your breath, you no longer age the same way. I do not say this lightly. I say it as someone who has studied suppressed ritual practices and cross-referenced them with modern laboratory neuroscience. I stand at the intersection between what ancient priests encoded in symbol and what cutting-edge biology now measures in nanometers and neural pulses. And when I tell you that the Ankh was more than a symbol of life, I mean it literally. It was a protocol, a precise breathing pattern designed to signal regeneration deep inside your cells. Look at your life right now. Your energy fluctuates, your focus fractures. Your sleep is shallow. Your nervous system is constantly on edge. You wake up tired. You push through the day on stimulation. You call it normal. It is not normal. It is biological decay, accelerating under chronic stress. Your mitochondria are underperforming. Your vagus nerve is understimulated. Your cells are aging faster than they were designed to, and you feel it. The elite of ancient Kemet understood something that modern society conveniently ignores. Breath is not passive. Breath is command. Every inhale sends electrical and chemical instructions through your nervous system. Every exhale recalibrates hormonal output. The pharaoh's inner circle guarded a breathing sequence shaped after the Ankh, the loop, and the cross, because it created a specific rhythm inside the chest cavity, stimulating what they called the seat of rebirth. This knowledge was buried not because it was mystical nonsense, but because it worked. And anything that works at the level of cellular longevity becomes power. The question is simple. Are you ready to reclaim it? You have been told that aging is inevitable, that exhaustion is part of adulthood, that mental fog is normal after 30, 40, 50. That is the narrative. But I am telling you something far more unsettling. Much of what you experience is not inevitable decline. It is nervous system dysregulation. It is mitochondrial suffocation. It is a body trapped in survival mode for so long that it has forgotten how to repair itself, and that is dangerous. Right now, your biology is running a stress script. Cortisol pulses too often. Your sympathetic nervous system stays activated long after the threat is gone. Your heart rate variability is low. Your sleep cycles are fragmented. Deep inside, your cells are choosing short-term survival over long-term regeneration. Autophagy slows. Telomeres shorten faster. Inflammation simmers quietly like a hidden fire. You may not see it, but you feel it in subtle ways. Slower recovery, duller cognition, thinner patience, heavier mornings. Modern life has trained you to override fatigue instead of decoding it. You drink stimulation. You scroll. You distract. But the cost accumulates. Your vagus nerve, the master regulator of calm, digestion, hormonal balance, becomes undertoned, like a muscle never trained. When that nerve weakens, your entire internal orchestra loses rhythm. Your breath becomes shallow. Your diaphragm tightens. Oxygen delivery shifts. Carbon dioxide balance destabilizes, and cellular efficiency drops. This is the stake. Not just feeling tired, not just aging, but accelerating the very processes that break you down at the microscopic level. The ancient Egyptian elite understood this long before stress hormones were measured in laboratories. They recognized that breath controlled the gateway between chaos and order inside the body. They treated it as sacred technology,